Peyush Bansali has penned a heartfelt note to shareholders. He's emphasized the company's 15-year-old journey, driven by a mission to help people see clearly and to live fully, not just chase valuations. In fact, he has highlighted the company's commitment to customer experience and building global Indian institutions. Snehi, tell us how well the IPO was subscribed and what is the listing scenario looking like?
Yes, if you take a look at the listing scenario, let's look at that. The issue price was at 402 rupees per share. And if you take a look at what the grey market premium is right now, it's about 12 rupees. So we're not expecting to see a very blockbuster listing. In fact, a premium of 3 to 4% is what the street is estimating right now. So let's look at different listing scenarios. First, if it lists flat, which is exactly at that 402 rupees per share, the price to earnings comes up to 285 times. Let's take a look on the positive side first. If it lists at a 5% premium, which would be a listing price of about 422 rupees per share, then their price to earnings would come close to 300 times, and a 10% premium, wherein the listing would be at around 442 rupees per share, the price to earnings would go up to 313.5 times. On the flip side, let's also pencil in some bearish cases, wherein if the listing happens at a 5% discount, then the price would be about 382 rupees per share, and the price to earnings would come down to 271 times, and at a 10% discount, the listing price would be at about 362 rupees per share, and the price to earnings would trend lower at 256.6 times. So these are the different kinds of listing scenarios. Remember, on the day one itself, the retail book was subscribed, and overall the subscription to Lenskart has been very strong. But well, yes, we're expecting to see a very flattish listing. The grey market premium is penciling in only a 3 to 4% premium right now. So we'll see how the listing happens. But yes, these are the different scenarios and prices at which we could see Lenskart list today.
Thank you so much, Snehi, for all those details. All eyes on that. But the management also touches upon the key growth levers. Let's go across and listen in.
Comes to Lenskart, we have been very particular that the product quality and the product price to the customer both come together, and that total customer experience package creates a 10x, a 10x value for the customer, not an incremental value. So I think our focus is going to continue to give surprising experience to the customer. From a Shark perspective, if I was pitching this on Shark Tank, I would say, this would be an investment into a mission to give vision to 1 billion people. We have only served a few million people right now. We believe that we have the intent, the commitment, the talent and the culture, and investments in technology, which we'll continue to make to eradicate visual impairment like we did polio many years back. And so please be part of that journey in helping us make the world a better place.
All right, so that's all about Lenskart's IPO and its listing going forward. But let's take a look at India's general insurance industry, which is